Look how tender this octopus is. Perfectly prepared for any dish. You can even cut it with a fork. Whatever octopus dish you're preparing, join me here for an in-depth and detailed instruction on how to soften this seafood. Probably the most horrifying intro. Not just entertaining and educative today, but it's a horror. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. As you've seen, we're preparing and cooking octopus. The biggest learning perhaps is it may not be the dish because it's easy, it's just a fried octopus. Perhaps the half I'll be preparing it as pulpo al ajillo. That sounds fancy. No, that's just sauteed in garlic in generous oil or buttered octopus. That's a more modern version. Call it less Spanish if you will. I've already cleaned this, and perhaps it's not an entire octopus but just the tentacles. The head has been removed. I think the preparer doesn't know how to clean the head. By the way, I'll be making a full tutorial on how to prepare, soften an entire octopus later when I'm in my barrio, when I'm in my town, where this is very abundant. Octopus is delicious, but many people are turned off by its texture. It's just chewy, rubbery, makunat, nakulbet. Eating it is just like eating bubblegum or even rubber tire. Okay, I remember my mother hammering it and boiling it just to soften it. It does not help much. That's why today I'll be showing you how to prepare it. Preparing octopus while keeping it soft. There are two ways of softening or cooking octopus while keeping it soft. First is what we're showing now. It is what I call the frightened method, where there is no boiling, and I'll just dip the octopus 2 seconds in the boiling water. 1, 2. Just 2 seconds. Let's wait until the water again boils briskly. First step, 2 seconds. The water is again boiling, then second dip. This time, 4 seconds. 3 to 4, it doesn't have to be exact. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the change in the structure. It's beginning to curl, meaning its muscles fight back. Again, let's wait for the water to boil. Now, that's what I call boiling briskly. Third dip. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 seconds for the third time. Let's have this cool down. And let's use the same water to now really prepare the preparation proper. I mean, the octopus. I'll be adding and pepper and my harvest from last year, laurel. To improve the taste, seafoods, especially octopus, can have strong taste or even smell. This will help. Now the preparation proper. Let's boil this sancocha for at least 30 minutes. This doesn't have to be at high. Medium high is enough. 30 minutes. Let's visit this later. While this boils, let's talk about the first method of softening or preparing an octopus without making it rubbery. In fact, I think you've been doing this. It's simply freezing it. Let's explain why. Freezing expands water. Water when frozen expands. Look at the ice candies and the ice that are being sold in the Philippines. They are expanded. Yeah? They're expanded. That principle holds true for freezing octopus. The octopus or any animal or any meat has water content. So the water in between the fibers of the muscles expands as it freezes. The expansion breaks the fibers, effectively making it softer. That's the physics of it. That helps, but it's good to combine the two. This one, I froze this and then boiled it as I have shown. So it's good to combine the two for optimum result. It's more than 30 minutes already. This should be soft now. You won't believe how soft it is. Look at this. No effort. The fork is silly versus true. Even just with the fork, it can be cut. Yeah. Delicious. Our mixture of garlic, onion, pepper, salt, and the laurel leaves help in enriching its flavor. I can eat this by itself. If you want to learn about the resulting dish, a 2-minute dish, click on the link below in the description box and among the videos shared. See you there!